your ID?
I don't have my ID on me.
Okay.
I'm not
ID?
operating the car.
Okay.
Yeah, I didn't bring an ID. Sorry, man.
Okay, that's fine. Do you have permission? City permit?
As far as you're concerned, without an ID, state of Texas, you're over 17 years of age, you're required to have an ID.
Okay, well, I'll take the $10 ticket.
Say again?
I'll take the $10 ticket. That's only if I'm being detained.
Why do you need our information, sir?
Are we being detained?
Because we got called on it. Okay, and we're just checking to see if there's some kind of violations or whatever.
Okay, that's fine.
You can tape all you want and everything.
I'm not
that's
even
fine.
taping right now.
Just let me do my job, okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we're not
I know
trying
you
to stop that.
guys.
What the law says.
Yeah, no, I can make
I'm
that.
not sure that it's a $10 ticket. It could be more than $10.
I had it before.
It's not saying you got to be 17 and up to you're supposed to have a Texas ID.
Oh, I do have one, but I'm not being detained, so.
Oh, no, you guys legal scholars.
I mean, am I being detained? Maybe I should.
Yeah.
Like, call my attorney. I don't have any warrants or anything, so I'm not worried about
Why
that.
would you need to call an attorney if we're just checking to see why you're here?
Because we're being questioned.
To an officer of the law, you need to
detained?
defend yourself, it seems.
We're just trying to find out why you're here.
Well,
I just
we'll
wanna
tell
be
you exactly.
prudent,
We'll
not
pass
end up in
information
a,
on health and against
what do they call it? A
That's fine.
fusion center for political activism.
Okay, hang on a second. How about you let us do our job, okay? You tape all you want and everything. That's
I'm not
fine.
even.
All right? And then you go about your business and everything. Let me see what the airport operations wants to do about it and that. That's all that is.
Okay.
Thank the veterans for their defense of the Constitution. It's another reason.
I'm a 16-year veteran.
I meet a lot of officers that are. That's why I typically bring it up when we come to speaking about this stuff.
You guys heard about
There's oath keepers and oath takers.
Have you heard of
Yeah, I had a friend, not a friend, somebody was at the airport the other day told me about it.
It's a pretty good organization. It's started by an Army paratrooper, law student, Yale graduate, Stuart Rhodes. They basically started it asking.
Do you really think letting everybody carry a gun for whatever purpose is the right thing to do?
Wait.
Just get done saying that.
Wait. No, we didn't say anything about guns.
Take an oath about letting people carry guns and stuff.
No, that's not what I'm saying.
It's the oath keepers to defend the
10
Constitution.
different oaths, including the Constitution, not disarming citizens.
That's exactly my point. Disarm.
Did you see what happened after Katrina?
No, that's right for lawful citizens. That's the key.
Like
lawful
after Hurricane
citizens.
Katrina, the cops came in and disarmed the entire city.
Really?
Yeah, there's video.
You're familiar with
Let me
that?
see your ID.
Yeah.
Actually,
You have a-
And do you know all the stuff that went on?
I saw a video of the houses. All she did, there was a 73-year-old lady just said she was well stocked with food and water, didn't want to leave her house, and showed the officers that she was okay by, she has protection. She pulled out a lawfully owned weapon.
You got a cell phone?
no.
And this is your correct address?
Yes.
Do I have to give you my address?
Look it
I
up.
don't think that's.
No, I don't think we need to give addresses,
It's
or
all
phone
on
numbers,
my-
or any of that shit. Anything that's not on there, you don't gotta
I have to
give.
get my social security number.
I wouldn't even.
Is your address on your
Give
driver's
that.
license, legal expert?
Mine is. I don't know. I'm not an expert. I didn't go to law school. I know my
Does it
rights.
offend
I
you
read
that
the
we keep up with the
Constitution.
law? That we keep up with the Constitutional law?
You can do whatever you want to, and actually good, so you guys aren't stupid, right?
Yeah.
Pay attention, right?
I think, yeah.
You still live with this
We mean
address?
well.
But I'm going to check all of you to make sure that you're not wanted for everything. And
For everything?
That's.
That's right. That's part of our thing. We
I know that's only for being
that's fine.
I need to do
detained.
my job defending the
Yeah.
Constitution, right?
Yeah.
We're not stopping you from doing that.
What about our Fourth Amendment? That's
Your
what we're mainly
papers are
concerned
not
about.
being protected right now.
Your Fourth Amendment.
Yep.
What is the eye roll about the Fourth Amendment?
Do we need to read it?
That's why you're free in your person and papers against the unwanted searches and seizures.
Yes, sir. Can I see your ID also?
I don't
You
have
already
it with
got
me.
those two, right?
I don't even have my wallet with me actually.
My ID back here.
I don't have my
Let me do
Last
my
name.
job.
driver's license.
You know
Okay,
your
I'm going to call
driver's
and
license
find out
number?
if you're not giving me the right information.
I actually don't have a driver's license.
ID number. What's your
I don't
first
even have
name?
an ID.
And what's your date?
No, I understand. We're not being lawfully
You're
detained.
being detained at this time.
For what?
So we can go ahead and check you, find out
That's
who you are.
illegal.
It's not.
I've gone over this with a lawyer.
Okay, that's
What
fine.
reason?
Contact your lawyer. Because I want airport ops to come over here.
What's
You're
your
the reason.
what's
We're
your
the
address,
airport.
please?
The airport. I do have a driver's
I need
license.
to confirm who you are.
Am I being
And
detained?
Yes, at this point.
For what charge?
So we can go ahead and check
That's
with
not a
them.
charge. For what charge? That is a
You're not
charge.
being charged with anything.
Well, then I'm not
That's a good
detained.
telephone number for you.
We
I
can
can only
leave
be
it. We can
detained if
leave
I'm
it.
being
We're not-
charged or something, or if I'm deemed a threat. I have no sort of threatening. Like,
You're being detained right now until airport operations
what
comes
charge?
over here. You do
What
not
purpose?
have
What reason?
is
to let
HPD
them
charging
see
me, or
if
is
they're
the
gonna
airport
give you a trespass
conditions?
warning or whatever.
It's a public airport owned by
City
my
of
property
Houston.
taxes.
Gentlemen,
This is owned by the
you
city.
can tape all you want. I'm
we
just
are.
telling you what the situation is.
Well,
I told you when you guys aren't listening.
You cannot.
You didn't give us a reason. You said for investigation. For what?
You said
Criminal
they were raiding the
investigation. What's the
airport.
criminal charges? What is the criminal accusations? What are these things that
We're
we're
at the airport. People around
You're
here.
not going to be charged with anything, and you'll be released.
Exactly. So why, if we're not being charged, why are we being held?
You guys just get done saying, you guys are too busy talking. You're not listening.
I'm not charged. We have to
Airport operations who has experience.
Especially this one right here. And this one right here. Especially this one right here.
Yeah, talk to you, see what they want to do.
Okay.
Okay?
TSA advised me that these three received trespass warnings.
I
No, I did
know.
not.
That's I have. Sure.
I received no issue citation.
Copy.
Oh, you weren't issued. It was verbally
I
done.
haven't
It was
been
by me and another officer, and
Not me.
HPD told you.
I wasn't here.
The only guy that wasn't here before was
No, I was not here at that group, sir. I know exactly when you're talking about, and I was not there.
Oh,
I've
you
been
know
here
what I
before.
was
Actually,
talking about. Yeah, you
HPD
too?
didn't warn us. They told us next time to come back
Oh,
to
I
bring
didn't
more
know that
people.
we were
That's what they
verbally
told us.
They told you next time you come without a boarding pass and
No,
an
that's not
intention
what
to fly.
that's not what they told us at all. They actually told us that you guys wanted to arrest us, but they weren't going to, and they advised us to get more people to come.
I don't know where you're making that up. 'Cause that
The
wasn't
HPD officer's mouth.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes, sir.
I'd like to get my identification back as soon as I can.
Yeah.
Right now, I have no identification. He's written down everything, plus I gave him my social.
Once he's through conducting his preliminary investigation, and you back.
Well, who's leading the investigation? He said he had to report to airport security. So then why are we here?
But you're awfully chatty, you know that?
Well, yeah, we don't like being. We have stuff to do. We came up here to pass out information, not be
But I'm just saying
questioned
that
again.
you're awfully chatty.
Because this is what we do, man. We're trying to fight for freedom here. This is what we do daily. Weekly.
Another opportunity.
And how old are you?
55.
Preserve. I said, hopefully in 5 years when I'm 55, I look like you.
Machines.
Work there.
I have my own business.
What kind of business? This conversation. You know,
I know it's a conversation, but I'm taking my right to just be quiet.
How about you, sir, in the middle? What kind of business you do? What kind of work?
I'm going to take my Fifth Amendment as well right now.
Oh, okay.
Talk to
You,
neighbors,
sir?
not to cops.
You, sir? Hey, talk to neighbors, not the cops.
Some of them are neighbors.
Well, if the cops are the neighbors.
If the cops are neighbors,
Sir.
we help build the community.
How about you? What kind of work you do?
I don't. I just live.
Second?
Just living. L-I-V-I-N.
Then you gotta ask them, like, am I being detained? And I don't think we are being detained.
Well, this is
Not
a
lawfully, at
different.
least.
This is a different environment. Well, whenever
laws.
somebody calls us,
No, I understand.
call
I
HPD
understand.
out,
But that still doesn't mean that just because
we
there's a
have to
thing.
Yeah.
investigate. When the police make the scene and we ask questions, we expect answers. That's normal. That's what happens. When there's a deviation from that, then we have to start trying to figure out.
So whenever people don't answer and they actually use their rights, then that's weird. So they have to investigate more. Yeah, that's a little backwards.
But we're safe now. You guys did a good job. 25,000 security breaches since 2001. And we're safer now.
Okay, you're supposed to
TSA
pick up
agents
somebody
stealing
from.
from passengers.
You're supposed to pick up
It's good stuff here, guys.
something from.
You guys want to see what we're passing out? Anybody want information about the cancer risk of the machines? Constitutional violations?
Yeah.
You guys standing next to the machines all day are the ones putting yourselves at risk.
Somebody can just tell me what law I'm breaking so I can leave.
Focuses on your skin.
It's probably like smoking when you can't say it's
People are taking it. They want information. They want to be known.
It's like saying hate a stranger. Are we not allowed to? Yeah, apparently we're not even allowed to say hate at people.
Okay, which one's, okay, and you're still living, ID number? Listen, all I'm trying to do, I'm gonna let you guys know, I'm just getting your information to make sure that,
I'm not intimidated by you guys.
got the camera on and everything, I wanna make sure you guys get credit for being all-stars.
So,
Isn't that my ID?
That's what I'm asking you.
I look good on camera.
Let me see your tattoo.
Wait, for what?
That's a search.
Nah, I'm not being
Oh, yeah,
detained.
you always hear
I'll
that.
tell you later.
Voice
I don't need to
sounds
identify. You don't have to identify
Every once
me.
in a
I'm
while
not
there's
being.
You are being detained because you're gonna get read some instructions to you and everything.
Okay, well, you don't need to.
Okay,
look at
and
my
listen,
tattoos.
oh, that's fine.
I'm not.
Okay, which, you living at, how many months you been living at? Close your eyes.
We do whatever with the videos. Just edit out my social security number and all that stuff, all right? I don't need that.
No, it's staying.
No, I think it's pretty obvious that people are going to see that we're being harassed for no reason.
Yeah, I know. Make sure you get your driver's license changed.
The license
Just say
number,
is that you have to have an ID for something, whether you travel or whatever.
and just tell them the number.
Okay, yeah, and if you get stopped, you don't have to be driving or anything to not have.
Okay.
So doing you guys a favor because of your amendment rights and all that kind of stuff.
Let me go ahead and give y'all a phone number for solicitation when you come in here and give out things.
You wouldn't want us to have any put any false information in the report.
Yeah, no, I understand.
I want you guys to get recognized and have your just doing that, and I want you to be able to do it so everybody knows who you are. How much you weigh? Okay, guys, give me a few minutes of your time. You can tape it, whatever you want to do and everything, that's fine. A person with airport operations that has authority is going to give you their trespass warning, okay? And by them giving the trespass warning, they're telling that you cannot be here without their express permission. This other gentleman gave you the phone number that you need to call. And if you want to come out here and pass out your stuff or whatever, you need to check with them. Okay, now, what he's going to tell you is that if you come on airport property again, after you've been warned, you're going to give a chance to go ahead and vacate. Okay? If you come back without their permission, you will be arrested for Class B trespassing, which is a county court charge.
Okay.
Okay? And you will be fined. I'm just telling you ahead of time so we don't have any misunderstandings.
Oh, definitely. We'll double check everything.
No, okay, that's fine. Let me finish. Okay? I'm making a police report. I'll have everything documented in there. Okay? That's for your protection. All right?
Days,
I will give you the
Travis
case
Street.
number and everything, and my name and badge number and everything else that you need.
Cool.
How's that?
That sounds
Okay?
awesome.
What you can't, that's fine. I don't have any problem with that. What you can't have is what the details report are, because that's what I put in there. Okay? It's
Oh,
the
we could-
show.
okay.
Here, let me finish.
Okay, yeah.
If you have any questions, okay, then you can contact the appropriate division or whatever, and it sits in there. It shows that you've been warned and everything. All right, and then you'll have a case number. In case there's any problems or whatever, they'll be able to refer to that case number and go ahead and pull that report up. It's internal.
Okay, yeah.
Introduce yourself.
Hey, I'm Melvin Maxwell. I work for the airport system, part of the security section of the airport. I'm going to read you this notice. First, I want to ask you a question. Are y'all in possession of a valid airline ticket?
Appreciate it.
Nope. So you're doing no trouble, okay? You are here advised by authorized representative of the airport, which is me, Houston Airport System, that you are not permitted to return to this property without valid airline tickets. If you're going to travel in the same day, that's fine. Okay. You will be asked to leave or may be arrested by the Houston Police Department, which is them, and prosecuted for criminal trespassing. This notification cannot be revoked by any means other than written authorization to enter the airline Houston Airport System property, except for by the Deputy Director of the airline, of the airport system. That's the City of Houston. Do you understand what you've been read?
Yes.
Okay?
Sounds
All
good.
right, officer.
Did you want to leave me one of your brochures?
Yeah, well, I think that one has a phone number.
Well, that's fine. I mean, you guys are intent on passing them out and everything.
Yeah, that just has a
Yeah,
phone
go
number.
check, double check all the studies,
All the websites in there, our website's on there. People who quote the Constitution are now on watch list, according to the FBI. Patriot groups. It's real information. Look it up.
MIAC report.
MIAC report. Missouri police, like, they're being trained. Founding fathers were terrorists, and people that support the Constitution are domestic terrorists.
None of you guys have any mental health issues or anything?
Oh, I have ODD, oppositional defiant disorder.
All right, are we good to go? Good to go. You said go down.
Yeah. Go down and we're gonna walk
Oh, the
across
tunnel's
there
underneath.
and wait across the street.
We made a friend. Our website, probably YouTube, probably Facebook.
I thought we were gonna please Escort. We get a TSA Escort too.
I know, he's right behind us.
And there's a setup right there. That's me,
sir. That's what happens when you go to the fucking airport. That's what happens when you go to the fucking airport. See?
We just beat the cops!
Talk to neighbors, not the cops.
Some of